Hello everyone, today I will show you how to export single clip in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. I have clips on my timeline. First, go to the Deliver page. Under the Render settings, you'll see all your clips. Selecting one will move the time marker to the start of the clip. To export just one, right-click the clip you want to export and select Render this clip. As you can see, only the single clip is highlighted on the timeline, so we are ready to export it. Now go up to the render settings, change the file name, and leave the default export settings as they are, since they work fine for me. Next, click Add to Render Queue. Now my clip is added to the render queue. To complete the export, click Start Render. Once the rendering is done, you can right-click the job and select Open File Location to find your newly exported clip. If you ever want to export your entire timeline instead, just right-click the timeline and choose Entire Timeline. And that is everything to know about how to export single clip in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.